Students, today we are going to see the fourth lesson, that is practical geometry. In this practical geometry lesson, we are going to study the construction of quadrilaterals. As in the last chapter we have studied about the quadrilaterals and their kinds, and also the properties of the kinds of quadrilaterals. As you know, there are 6 quadrilaterals basically, or we can say 7 are there. One is scalene. First one is scalene quadrilateral. Second is parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium and kite. Out of these, the first, that is scalene quadrilateral, rhombus, parallelogram, these all constructions we are going to do here in this lesson. Now there are 5 different modes of construction. The first is when 5 sides of a quadrilateral and 4 sides of a quadrilateral and 1 diagonal is given. Now you know that how many norms are there in a quadrilateral? Obviously 4 sides, 2 diagonals and 4 angles. 4 plus 2 plus 4 is 10. Out of these 10, if a particular group of 5 is given, we can construct a quadrilateral very easily. So the same way, the first type or first kind of construction is when 4 sides of the quadrilateral and 1 diagonal is given to you, how we can construct the quadrilateral. This first part. And the second is when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, how we can construct the quadrilateral. For these, I am going to take the examples from exercise 4.1 and 4.2 and explain you how the quadrilaterals can be constructed with the steps. After the constructions, you have to write the steps. So let's go for the construction of the quadrilaterals, how actually it should be done very nicely, very neatly and very accurately. See here, you can see here chapter number 4, practical geometry. I have taken the example of exercise 4.1. the first example it is. Here first the 4 sides of the quadrilateral are given to you and 1 diagonal is given to you. Now what we have to do is, first we have to draw a rough figure, so that in that rough figure you can see here I have drawn the rough figure A, B, C and D. In this rough figure I have drawn it such that it should, how the figure or how the quadrilateral will appear after construction, the rough idea comes to us. Then actual construction, what we are going to see is, here I will reconnect in the second video. Here is some focusing problem, so please stay with and see the second video.